Do you know what happens when Ramadan comes? Narrated by Abu Huraira radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when Ramadan comes, the doors of heavens are opened and the hells of door are closed and the devils are chained. Also narrated by in another hadith. When Ramadan comes, the heavens are opened of or the paradise of heaven are opened. Ramadan is not a month, it's a gift from Allah. It's a month of mercy, forgiveness, and kindness. Thank you for listening. I hope you have learned more and more vocabulary. Thank you for listening.